All right. It is unfortunate, but today is I don't even know what day of the road to consistency. I unfortunately woke up extremely late today because I had insomnia and I couldn't fall asleep last night. I ended up getting sleep around I think 1:30 ish was the last time I saw the clock. Um, and then I fell asleep. And then I woke up this morning thinking it was a Sunday. It wasn't. It was Monday. So yeah. So today we have like no news. Um June 8th, Monday. Yeah, we have no news for USD, so I don't expect a crazy amount of moves, but I do expect a lot of movement because of this Asia session moving 250 points. London protraction indicates bullish. London delayed protraction indicates bullish. AM trend indicates bullish. Everything that I wanted to see. So now we are going to be paying attention and holding on to that idea that we're going to be bullish. I'm going to wait for a price to come into these levels, and then I'm going to take a trade going higher. I'm going to give it until like 12:30, 12:20-ish, maybe an hour of recording, and then I'm going to, stop the recording if I don't see anything. If we do see something, I'm still going to stop the recording because that's my lunchtime. I got to eat lunch, got to stay on the macros. Um, but yeah, um, oh my god, bro, I'm in so much pain. Oh, shit. But yeah, so we're gonna see if I can catch anything this late into the day. I mean, I missed out really badly by not being in during this time here, but what can I do about it? Uh, Realistically speaking, I would like to get in something like this. Now, this is a lot of pointage for stop. I would be targeting maybe 300-ish points because we've already moved about 350. Asia has 250 points, which indicates that we could probably move about 400 to 500, around the 400, 500 mark. With 250, I would say maybe four, like 450 to 475 a bit. Um, Maybe let's go for the 830. I don't want to have a 120 point stop. Obviously, that's a lot to have, but I don't know. We'll see. But I mean, honestly, bro, anything that could come back into this level, risking 78 is a lot, though. It's about, that's almost 2,000, isn't it? That is, no, that is almost 1,500. That's actually a decent amount, I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, disregard this trade for a second. Just let me calculate before I make a decision. Yeah, it's almost 1,500, which is a decent amount, I'm not gonna lie. So what we're gonna do instead, we're gonna, but I don't think we do come down to here. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna do something like this. 195. Or you know what? No, no, no. I saw something the other day where some dudes said if you're not sure about a specific position and you have a really big stop loss, what you should do is have a partial stop loss um, as a limiting factor just in case, uh, right? And then a full stop loss as a, if it comes to this level, it's wraps, right? So I'm going to do a partial stop loss. Why? What am I tripping on? No, that's not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. No, that's not what I wanted either. I'm going to have a partial stop loss just right here, right? It's not a super crazy insane trade, but it is a trade, right? And if I can make, so this partial stop loss would be 5 contracts. This will be the remaining 5. So right here I would be losing 2.5, 130 times 2.5. I'd be losing 325 here, which then leaves the remaining right here 700, which limits down my stop loss to about 1,025 ish. But yeah, I'm gonna go get water while this is going. Give me a minute. I need some water. Wow, we we just barely avoided my entry. That's annoying. Oh, well, because I misplaced my entry. It was supposed to be right there. No. Well, it's supposed to be at the fucking. It was supposed to be at the fair value gap, but okay, whatever. That's kind of obnoxious. We kind of just barely missed my shit. Damn! And then we move away, really? Guys, can I just say I got in? Can I just say I got in? Because it was supposed to be at the fair value gap, and then I was too busy getting water and I didn't realize. Can we just say I got in? No. We're not gonna say I just got in. If I missed the move, I missed a move. It's fine. It wasn't there though. It was right there. No. Right there. No. What the hell? There. Ugh. Nah, it seems like price is gonna move away from me. Yeah. Unfortunate, 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 unfortunate. Damn, I really wish I didn't do that. That was so stupid of me. How did I misplace this, bro? Chat, can we just say I got in? Ah, how did I misplace this entry? Damn, I don't know how I misplaced that. That's actually so absurd. Whatever. I'm gonna wait to see if price can get back into some kind of a 50%. No, 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 no. This is disgusting, disgusting, disgusting. I'm mad. I'm so mad because I misplaced my freaking entry by literally a single point. A single point. Yeah, quite literally a single point. I misplaced it. Ugh. I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh my god, how did I misplace my entry? Oh, that's so nasty of me. How could I do that? How could I do that to myself? How could I do that to myself? Ugh. Alright, well, stair ladder formation. I'm getting in right there. And I'm risking... Yeah, I'll risk about that. For something like this... Oh, that's not what I want, though. That's not a lot, like, at all. How could I do that, bro? Okay, well, there's the first partial. 2 out right there. So $83. Oh, yeah, I love being up $83 on the day. Oh, fuck me, actually. You know what? I was gonna say, let's take a partial... Where's the measuring tool? I was gonna say, let's take a partial here too, but then that's not worth it at all. I'd rather just wait. Yeah, okay. So stops are now at break even, just to limit losses, because we could retrace at this point. But if we do come up to here, I was gonna say let's take another. Okay, break even anyway. Whatever. $83 on the day. That's so great. Ugh. But anyway, what I was gonna say was, I was gonna say take partials here, but there's no point because then if I take full here, then I'm only up like 700 on the day. 800 on the day maybe, right? So I might as well just take the remaining 8 out there, but whatever. We ended up getting stopped. I don't even think I can call that green on the day. That's $83. Oh, what a freaking trade, bro. Oh my god. Had I just caught the normal move. There's a lot of bearish movement here, or momentum here, though, which is kind of strange to me. Yeah, very strange. I would have gotten in here, but that's a lot of bearish momentum. It is at an order block, though, which could make some sense, but it's just such a strong candle. And it's gonna have a pretty strong close, I would assume. Yeah, decently strong close, which, not really the best. So we're just gonna wait and see, wait and see. I don't like this, bro. I don't like this for real. It's only been 10 minutes. 16, but damn. Let's see. Yeah, there's just no news, so I wouldn't expect anything absurd. Ooh, honestly, you know what? Fuck it, I'm taking it there. Right? 49 stop loss. This is my partial for half position. There. That's what I'm taking. This is going to be my first take partial. Actually, that's going to be my first and only take partial. And this is going to be. Let's see. So if I were to do half the contract here. Yeah, I could do that. Half out here and then half out here. That'll put me at 1500 on the day, which I mean it's not bad, but not what I would have targeted had I been in all the way back here, you know? And then calculating for losses, right here would be the half of the contract, so 2.5, 192 here, and then full. So I'm risking about 600, quite literally 600, like 630. Oh wow, okay. So actually, I might have to change my mind and full stop loss right there. Um, because why the hell? Why? It is a pretty strong candle, you know. It is a pretty strong candle. So yeah, okay. I'm full stopping out there. I'm full stopping out there just because these candles are very strong, very very strong. Full stop on that stop loss. So what was this? Like it was 77, right? 77 times the 5. So I'm down 300 on the day because I made 80 something earlier and then I lost 380 right here. So yeah, I'm breaking even on the day. And it's smart that I did full stop because now we're looking at this BS. Yeah, no, 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 just no. Um, yeah, no, I'm just gonna stop myself out there. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna stop myself out there. I'm not gonna take any more trades because I was just so late today. Like, this was like extreme late. Like, not even, not even like funny late. This was like, I woke up at 11. That's not good. But I will still analyze to see if price comes into these levels later on in the day, and then if they do, and I see it and I catch something going bullish, um, then I will recap it in the trade journal, and the trade journal will be late today because I'm expecting if we do see a reaction off of these levels, it'll be like 3 p.m., 4 p.m. time. So I will definitely record the trade journal pretty late today, and hopefully if I do catch a trade, it'll be something like around here, maybe at the Fair Valley gap, which is around here, or maybe we just react off of this 930 level, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna end off the recording here today. Very short video because I woke up late as fuck. But and if I also catch a short, I might catch a short going down to these levels. Probably not though, just because it's like really deep short pushes, really deep short pushes, and then really shallow retraces. But yeah, we'll see later in the trade journal.